Hey guys, welcome back to Sunday Potluck. Today I'm going to be making a recipe from the 3rd edition cookbook of the O Taste and See cookbook from Woodland Heights. I've got a helper with me, if you can see her down here. I'm going to be making a simple, easy breakfast or snack or whatever. They freeze really, really well. It's sausage balls. Hey, you gotta quit eating the cheese, man. Marianne's eating the cheese. So it's sausage balls. It's 3 ingredients. This recipe came from a guy, so you know, well, a man. So you know that it's easy and it's got to be good, because if a guy puts something in a cookbook, then you know it's got to be good. So let's go down here and see what we're doing. There's Marianne. Say hi, Marianne. She's eating her cheese, still in her breakfast. In her pajamas. So what you need is a pound of Jimmy Dean sausage. He said hot Jimmy Dean sausage, but I am a wuss when it comes to hot stuff, so I don't do hot. I need this bowl. So I don't do hot. So I just got the regular. I'm gonna have to add more cheese to this because Marianne is eating the cheese. So, you need a pound of sausage. You need 2 cups of grated sharp cheddar cheese and 2 cups of Bisquick. Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you. This is a half cup, so I'm going to put in, that's 1 cup. Bisquick is clumpy. I don't know why. Okay, so that's all it is. And then, that's all it is. And then you just mix it up. And then he said you put it in. Oh, did I get all your cheese? Hey, can somebody come get her some cheese? Or that's the only reason she wanted to help this morning, was because she could get some cheese. Daddy to the rescue, getting her some cheese out of the refrigerator. So he said you just mix this up, and all right, guys, you can only do so much with a spoon. Roll your sleeves up and get in there after it. That's probably enough. So he said you just mix this up and then make balls the size of golf balls. That would be a instruction that a guy would give you. The size of a golf ball. I've got a cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop, and it's about a tablespoon and a half that I'll be using. Because I know women play golf too, but I'm not a golfer, so I really don't know about what size a golf ball is. I have not had Mr. Hugh's sausage balls, but I have had several people's sausage balls, and I really like them. They're really 2 or 3 are full yet, but whenever I told my husband that I was doing Hugh's sausage balls, she goes, oh good, he brings those to BSF, those are good. And then I told him I wasn't doing the spicy, and he got a little upset. I think I saw a little tear in his eye. I'm trying to get all of that Bisquick down at the bottom incorporated into the sausage. There's a couple of other recipes for this in here, and it calls for like water. One calls for a little bit of water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. One calls for a little bit less shredded cheese and a little bit less. Well, I guess hers would be the same if you doubled it, because it's a cup of Bisquick, a half a pound or half a cup of uncooked sausage. So it would be probably about the same recipe if it was, I'll put in there. But might have used, if I had to use like finely shredded cheese, it might have worked a little bit better. She's taking her cheese and going home, I guess. I'm trying to get this all incorporated. All right, let me, well, I can't touch the camera. I can wash my hands and I'll get some, I'll get a cookie sheet to throw these out on. Oh, thank you. Okay, guys, so I got them all on the cookie sheet, and I made several small ones because I had just a little bit left over, and it made a little cute one, and so I was like, well, I'll make Marianne some, you know, of her own. So it made 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 big ones and 4, 5, 8 small ones. So, and with the small ones, all I did was I cut the big ones in like fourths. So, it'll give you about 2 dozen this size sausage balls. So, you know, you can adjust however you want to. You can cut them in half and make more. I mean, it just be people would be eating more than what they normally would. But I'm going to stick these in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we'll pull them out and let you know how it goes. Okay, guys. So after cleaning up a little bit, I got my cookie sheet prepared. And I go ahead and put aluminum foil on the cookie sheet so that it's a little bit easier to clean up. And then, like I said, I'm just going to use this cookie scoop and scoop it into balls. That's kind of, I don't know, I guess that's the size of a golf ball. So one of these recipes says to do them the size of a quarter. Some of them say to just roll it into a small ball and you bake it on an ungreased cookie sheet. One says, the one I'm doing says cook for 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, or less time if it's smaller balls. One says 20 minutes. So I'm just going to start it out with cooking them about 15 to 20 minutes and see how that goes. Those are fairly good size. All right. I do know that you can freeze these. The balls freeze really well after they're cooked. So you can do that, or if you're not making it for a big group, and you can microwave them. They heat up really good in the microwave. Or you can stick them in a crock pot and let them, keep them warm that way if you're cooking them for a big group. But yeah, so this is all I'm going to be doing is rolling out sausage balls, and then I'll heat them up or cook them. Sorry, not heat them up. I'm going to cook them in the oven at 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we'll see how it goes from there. So, if you try this, let me know, or if you've had Mr. Hugh's sausage balls before, let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you think about them. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. You can also hit the there's a little bell notification down there, so that whenever I do post new videos, you'll be alerted to it, and so it'll take you straight to the newest video that I did. And yeah, I hope you have a nice day, and thanks for cooking with me, and thanks for watching Sunday Potluck. Okay, guys, I just pulled these out of the oven, and next time I do this, I'm going to probably put some kind of a spray on the aluminum foil or on the cookie sheet. Maybe it was on a cookie sheet, they would come off better, but I'm kind of having to really work at getting them off whole. So So maybe just a little bit of spray stuff. The little ones, these ones, aren't they cute? I pulled these out at about 15 minutes, and I went ahead and cooked these for the full 20 minutes. Oops. So that's what they look like on the inside. I had more small ones, but my son decided that he saw them sitting there and he thought that it would be a good idea to eat them. So he ate some of them, and that's okay. You know, that's what I made them for, was for them to eat. But yeah, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe and click that little bell notification so that you'll get the notifications whenever I post a new video. And comment down below if you tried them, if you like them, if I did something wrong, if you do something different. You can probably put a little bit of garlic powder in them. Maybe that might make them taste a little bit different. I don't know. So, all right. Enjoy them.